Bonjour, soyez les bienvenus sur Oliver Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on Fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to Reading Comprehension 1, Chapitre 2, les syllabes. This is a course designed to help everyone to read and understand effectively French language. In this video, we are going to learn how to form syllables using the alphabet M. Donc, dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre à former des syllabes avec la lettre M. But if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe, click on the bell to receive the next video. Don't forget to click on thumb up to like the channel or our program. Merci. And also, this is not the first lesson, so you can get the rest of the lesson or the previous ones in the description. Let's move on to today's lesson. M plus voyelle. Le son du M est M. The sound of M is M. M. Répétez après moi. M. A. Ma. M. E. Me. I, mi, o, mo, ui, mui, e, me, 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 ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me. Comme d'habitude, passons au test du jour. As usual, let's move on to the test of the day. Leçon. Let us read. Mentionnez la syllabe quand elle apparaît. Mention the syllable when it appears. Prêt? Bravo. Let's continue. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Apprenons à lire. Let us learn to read. Répétez après moi. Me. Now, over here you will see that E is not in blue as usual. Now you know that those blue letters at the end do not sound. But over here, E is not blue. It means that it is not silent. So, we say me. Earlier on, I said that in some few words, E is not silent at the end. And most of those words are two-letter words. So, this is one example. On continue. Me. Même, l'ami, le mur, la lime, le mot, le matelas, la mule, la tomate, la mer, la lumière, la mare, la rame, la masse. Rémi est sur le mur. Elle est ma mère. L'ami est malade. La lumière est sur le matelas. La tomate me va. Merci, nous sommes à la fin de cette leçon. À la prochaine fois. Thank you. We are at the end of this lesson. See you next time.